Hi everybody, welcome to the Baguette Investor channel for a new weekly review of the markets and my adventure into the financial markets. Sorry, I've not been making a lot of videos lately because I've been changing apartment. Now I'm in a brand new apartment. This is why the screen you're seeing is a little different. I hope it's better for you and the sound is also great. First, we're going to take a look at my profits all around my different accounts, crypto and stocks. Then we're going to do the technical analysis and I'm going to give my opinion on different markets and what I'm doing, how I'm investing. So this is the total profits of all my accounts put together, crypto and stocks. You can see I'm still in not a very decisive trend for my profits, still a little downtrending week for my profits, but I really believe that cryptocurrencies are going to bring me to new all-time highs on my portfolio. So if we look at my cryptocurrencies valuation, this is how my account looks like. You can see that there has been a magnificent bull market back in the spring where I made a lot of money and tested my strategy, and where I started this YouTube channel to share what I'm learning through taking more and more trades. But now you can see I've been not making gains nor losses since, well, spring. And I hope that now we're making a new bull market come alive. If you look at both of my stock market accounts, you can see that I'm much worse at stock trading. I don't know why. I'm still practicing a lot about stocks, and I have a few ideas of why my stocks breakouts are not working. I will do a special video about that. But now we're going to go into the technical analysis. So pretty much all the stock market in the world look very, very bullish. France, Germany, United States, India, Asia, Europe, America, everything looks bullish. This is the French stock market index in euros, which is on the edge of making a new all-time high. This is the S&P 500, which made a new all-time high last month. This is the NASDAQ, new all-time high. This is even commodities are making new all-time highs. I'm gonna zoom in on the daily so you can see better. You can see everything is pretty much very, very, very bullish. The question I had was, I invested a lot into what we call value, and value is basically financials, materials, that kind of stocks. Other kind of stocks are growth, which is mostly tech. People see growth as mostly tech and tech related stuff. And you can see that the ratio between growth and value has been in a range since August 2020. And I've been believing in a value taking the lead, so a ratio bouncing and value becoming the leader in the place. It did not happen. What we are seeing now is growth taking back the lead. So I keep investing in tech, and if you look at energy over tech, you can clearly see that we're nowhere near close with energy becoming the leader in the space. Tech is still crushing everything. The NASDAQ, the technology index, is making new all-time highs. So I keep investing in tech, but I will get to this into the future of the video. I think most of you are very interested into cryptocurrencies, so this is what I'm going to show. You can see on the long term, cryptocurrencies are one of the best assets here at the moment. This is why I'm putting most of my capital into it. What we're seeing right now is this huge, beautiful cup and handle pattern that looks absolutely gorgeous. And we're seeing a lot of resistance in the last days right there. You can see we've not been making any moves since August 20. So I'm really waiting for a breakout of this area. This is the total market cap. You can see if you zoom in on the 4 hour and put the line, you can see we're being constantly rejected right there. And I think that if we break this resistance line, we can go up and make a brand new nice bullish leg that I will be very happy to see. If you take a look at the total tool, which is the market cap without Bitcoin, which is the altcoin market cap, you can see it looks very, very good. And it's a little bit more bullish than the market cap with Bitcoin. So if you look at the dominance, we can see that right now the dominance is trending up, which means that altcoins are better to be invested in than Bitcoin. And will it stay like that? For now, I can't tell because the ratio has been in a range for quite a while, but if this ratio breaks above, it will be the altcoin season, and if this ratio breaks down, it will be the Bitcoin season. I'm waiting for this. You can see this by looking at the Bitcoin and Ethereum chart. If you look at Bitcoin, you see it trending down. If you look at Ethereum, you see it trending up. I've been posting about this on Twitter right there. You can follow me on Twitter at @thebaguetteNV1, where I post daily stuff about my positions and what I see, what I learn in the markets. And you can see that Ethereum is diverging from Bitcoin. So which means altcoin are really the interesting place to be right now in cryptocurrencies. I'm in certain altcoins. I will not go into all the detail every single week. I don't have much time. I've been stopped on quite a few altcoins. I'm still long on some altcoins that still in range. We feel the market being indecisive because this range right there means that investors are not decided whether the market should go up or down. So I don't see myself YOLOing this market right now. Wait for the breakout, and when the breakout will come, this is the moment where I will YOLO this market, because what can still happen is that we fake this breakout and get back into the range, and that would be terrible for me. Honestly, I would be very disappointed because this setup is so good. Anyway, we're waiting for this. Just to give you a very good idea about what I'm looking at. Before, I was really looking at value stuff. So I was looking at energy stocks, oil and gas, financials, and all that stuff. Now I keep looking at certain chemicals, certain material stock. I look at agriculture, financials, but I've come back to technology, and I invested in quite a few technology companies. I'm trying my best to get good breakouts. I'm also investing into some crypto stocks. So this is one crypto stock that I bought, well, not this morning, because for me it's not the morning, but I bought it today. And financials are also looking quite good in terms of stocks. I made quite a videos about uranium stocks. I'm going to do a video soon to explain what's happening on uranium stocks. I've been taken out of most of my trades on uranium stocks because the breakout simply did not happen. Let's take a look at the sector index. You can see that the breakout on uranium stocks got canceled. We tried something right there, and there was not enough people buying to make us go higher. So we made a fake breakout, and that happens. I risk very, very little on this. You see it in my account valuation that none of the big spikes down affect my whole account. It's always little events that make no risk on my big capital. There is also the FANG Plus index, which is the mega tech index with Google, Apple, Amazon, Alibaba, Baidu, and all that kind of stocks, making new all-time highs. So technology is very, very, very strong. I suggest you take a look at technology. Oil and gas and value is a little bit downtrending at the moment, I believe. It's nowhere near as bullish as technology. Of course, in the future, there is still a trend to make. We can still go to new highs, but right now, the momentum is in technology. So I keep a look at technology. I keep a look at crypto. For crypto, we really need to break this 4-hour thing right there. I really believe we're going to see the breakout soon. And if we don't see the breakout, it's going to reject, because I don't think it can stay like that for 5 days. That's it. I will do more specific videos in the future about what I'm doing with my crypto investments. I already made a video last week where I go into the detail of the macro cycle into crypto. So if you're interested in, you can go into the channel page. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next video on Wednesday. Goodbye.